Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to add games to your Roblox. Firstly, open your browser, then in the search panel type Roblox. Now left click. Now left click on the Roblox website. After that, go to the Create tab. From here, go to Creations, and from the Experience tab, choose any one of your games that you have created. Then click View on Roblox. Now click on the three dot on the right side of the game and click on Add to Profile. Now if you go to your profile section, you will see that the game has been added to your profile in the Creations tab. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.